Okay, so before I end the video, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Alright, so I'm off work and I picked something up while I was here, so I'll show you guys right now. Hopefully it's bright enough, but I picked up an OEM M3 front bumper. I picked up an OEM one because the Pandem kits, even the replicas, are based off of the OEM ones, and as far as I remember, the replica, like eBay bumpers, are a little bit different. So I was just like, yeah, might as well. This one's kind of beat up and whatnot, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. I could throw a little Bondo and stuff on there before I sand it and paint it black. So that's what I'm gonna do. And lastly, there we go. And lastly, I don't know, but I'm still trying to decide what I'm gonna do with the car situation. I really want the S4, but then again, I really want to finish the E36, and it's just really a hard decision because it just is. But I'm trying to get something at least relatively fun, and I'm trying to find something with a lot of people. I don't know if they're afraid of money or what, but they're not really good at responding. So it's just like, yeah, how am I supposed to buy something if people aren't responding? So yeah, that's my conundrum right now. But you guys will get updated in the near future, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, so hopefully you guys can see me. Actually, I know you guys can see me, but I mean more so, you know, the like the angle and whatnot, and the lighting, because the screen's kind of tiny and I'm kind of blind, so you know, it's a little bit of a struggle. But what I'm about to do, if you guys can see, the wheels are off the E36. And they're inside the Pathfinder, because I'm going to go get a couple things done. So what I'm going to do first is shower and get a co-pilot. Then I'll get to you guys in the next clip, which will either be where we're going with the wheels or the mall, because I kind of want something from Zara, and then the thing with the wheels. So whichever way we do it is how it's going to be, and then you guys will just have to see. Oh, that kind of rhymes. Bars. Yo, somebody need to sign me. I'm in the mall of the parking lot. I mean, in the parking lot of the mall, and look what I see. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. Nagaro blue B5 S4 RPF1s, front mount intercooler. Like, damn, that is nice. And it has the Broke East thing. Jesus, just look at that. Ooh. Dual exhaust on the back. And here's his Instagram, so I'll definitely go follow him, because I'm still considering a B5 S4. So yeah. All right.
On camera or something?
Yeah. So in the mall, before we do anything car related, I'm gonna go grab some food and walk around and see if we find anything. Hopefully I find the thing that I want at Zara, and I'll let you guys know what it is if I do find it. And if not, probably gonna have to order it online. I didn't see it on the website, so hopefully, yeah, I don't know. Okay, so before I end the video, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Weds, kranze, bazreias, and the spec is very good. So I believe the fronts are 10.5 plus 12, and the rears are 11.5 plus 10, which means that I'll basically be able to max out on the specs when I eventually relip them. But for now, I'll keep them as is. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the wheels before I end the video. And the next one, I'm going to be going to the tire shop, and I'm going to be test fitting the wheels, going to the tire shop, mounting the wheels, and doing everything like that. Because I'm probably just going to leave the car on these wheels and then just do whatever I need to do accordingly. But yeah, they're really not bad. Couple little things with them, but you know, for the price, I was never turning this down for the crazy price that I got these for. So yeah, you guys know me. Can't turn down a deal. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.